Businesses today need more than software. They need a unified platform that connects teams, streamlines operations, and drives growth. ERPNext is a powerful open-source ERP solution designed to manage your entire business from a single platform. From finance and sales to inventory, manufacturing, projects, and human resources. Eliminate manual processes, reduce operational complexity, and gain real-time visibility into every aspect of your business. Make better decisions faster with accurate and actionable information. Whether you're in manufacturing, distribution, retail, services, or project-based industries, ERPNext adapts to your business processes and scales with your growth. Access critical business information securely from anywhere. Empower your teams with a modern user experience across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. At Mazeworks, we help organizations unlock the full potential of ERPNext. Our team delivers consulting, implementation, customization, integration, training, and ongoing support tailored to your business needs. With ERPNext and Mazeworks, organizations achieve greater efficiency, improved visibility, and stronger business performance. Transform your business with ERPNext. Partner with Mazeworks and accelerate your digital journey.